Hello there, and as you would say in India, Namaste. Welcome to my course on cooking Indian food. Whether you are a beginner or an expert cook or simply a culinary connoisseur, this course will let you create amazing and unique Indian dishes that you may have tasted only in restaurants earlier. Forget about following complex recipes from internet sites. Soon, you'll be creating recipes on your own. Step by step, technique by technique, this course will provide you with the secrets of making delicious Indian dishes. There is a general concept that binds the different cuisines with each other. With time and experience, I have learned that most Indian dishes follow a particular pattern. Whether it is vegetables, lentils, legumes, meat or seafood curries, biryanis, or desserts, they all have a method that can be followed step by step and repeated with slight but important variations in ingredients and spices to make a unique dish. Soon, these secrets will be yours to experience and innovate through my method of cooking patterns. Indian food may seem complex, but these patterns will simplify these complexities for you. First, you will learn about the customs, traditions, and influences that have shaped today's Indian cuisine. Next, you will launch into the basic techniques from using the right cookware to the different spices and combinations that give Indian food its distinctive taste. We will learn about techniques like tempering, browning onions, and how to make curries or sauces that form the foundation of several Indian dishes. Then, pattern by pattern, you will learn how to cook the most popular Indian dishes. Every pattern will be followed by a recipe that uses that pattern and variations that can be made simply by changing the ingredients. At the end of the course, you will have the basics and the understanding of Indian food that will let you embark on your own unique, tasty, and innovative culinary creations. So, are you ready to have friends and family knocking on your door at the slightest opportunity? Let's start.